Hey guys, I just touched down Lagos, Nigeria. Super excited. If you fly locally in Nigeria and you arrive your destination, you know what to do. Give thanks to God. If you know, you know. So hey guys, this is Tava EJ. Thank you again for stopping on my channel, for clicking on this video. I'm so pleased that you guys always come back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'll just be doing like a room tour, a hotel tour for you. I found this hotel in Lagos really beautiful. Like they're 100 in terms of everything: customer service, security, amenities. In fact, I can't stop hyping them. It's not a paid video at all. It's just what I saw and I like it, and I thought to show my subscribers. It's called The Legend at the Airport by Hilton. Okay, first of all, look at the design, look at the art, look at the just look at this. Okay, I will show you more. Okay, so let's head on to my loves. I just got to the hotel. My hotel is The Legend Hilton, the one by the airport. Like, this hotel is really good. After the chaos, let me even tell you what happened. I realized that my bag was ripped. Oh my god, like it can't even get worse. Like a 35 minutes flight from Benin, how can my bag be ripped? That's just even crazy. But the hotel is mad. Like, I can't believe I'm getting this kind of service or this level of service in Nigeria. Well, super sweet na money kill. So without taking much of your time or rambling too much, let me just do a quick room tour for you so you understand what it's like. I'm gonna go around the hotel if I can and just show you what the hotel looks like. Trust me, if you're in Nigeria, you're in Lagos, I bet you should come here. Just save up and have a good time here. Okay, last time when I came to Nigeria, I stayed at the Radisson. That was equally good, but in my opinion, this is better. Okay, so well, I don't know. Yeah, this is definitely better than the Radisson I stayed last time. Radisson, I just feel like, I mean, the one here in Lagos in VI, I kind of think that they're living in past glory. It's just the name, it's just the effigy, it's just the hype. Like, you stay in Radisson, but in terms of the environment, how clean, how serene, and how posh it looks, this Hilton beats it hands down. And I think they cost about the same. But again, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so when you come into the door, this is what the door looks like. Okay, so you come in through the door, and I didn't even ask what this. Okay, I think this is a connecting room. This looks like a connecting room here. So if you're here with your kids or you have a large family, I guess it's a connecting room to the other room. So I booked the queen size single bed room. Okay, and they have this beautiful wall art here. It's really African. All the wall arts I've been seeing, they look very African. Yeah, the wall art, they look very African. So you just go down the wall, the room. Remember I told you my bag got ripped? That's my bag here. Like, how do you explain this? How do you explain this Arik Air? It's that 5 minutes flight from Benin. How do you explain this? I don't know. I'm not gonna let this bother me right now, but let's keep going. Okay, so you come here and then you find the closet on here. Okay, so if you open it over, you have your your iron and ironing board here, and that's my backpack I have right there. Okay, and on the other side, opening here, oops, how do you open this? It's hard. And opening this up, you have your the compartment, the shelf compartment, and of course you have your safe, which is pretty standard for most hotels that I've stayed in. Okay, and of course your laundry bag in there, and then you have the coffee area over here. You have your espresso machine. You have the kettle. They had 2 bottles of water waiting for me, glasses, and what's this? Oh, this is a full cream milk. I don't take full cream. So, and of course you have the refrigerator here, and of course you have your ice bucket and your glasses, and you have a very nice decent sized TV here, and your work area. I'm not working, I'm on vacation, I'm not working. And a nice pretty bin, and that's my bag, my water, and you have a mirror here as well, and you have your luggage stand here, and of course my boxes are here, and you also have another wall art which is beautiful. Okay, then looking onto my view, I think I'm facing the car park. It's a really huge environment, and from here I can already see a mobile policeman, which I like, because let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, what that tells me is that there's security here in this hotel. So this is what the Legend looks like. It's really beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. It has the same view, like every standard luxury hotel when you're coming in. Okay, so we move on, and you come on here. You have your accent chair and table here, and you have this very lovely light. I love how the wooden detail here as well. And then of course my bed. Yeah, this is my bed. This is where I'll be here staying for. I'm leaving tomorrow. Even my flight is at night tomorrow, so I'll be here till tomorrow. And this is what this looks like. And we have a full-size mirror here. So this is me, this is I, this is what I'm looking like. Just wearing my two-piece set from Fashion Nova and my dad's sandals from River Island. And I had my cornrow done yesterday. Okay, see how long it is, guys. See how long my cornrow is. Can you see that? Yeah, that's me. And we're moving to the bathroom. I love how luxe the bathroom looks. So this is the bathroom. I like the glass, the sliding glass. All you need to do is just open up this way, okay? And you go in, you have your bathtub right here. Oh, so beautiful. You have your bathtub here. And you also have your sink with the towels. Your sink and the towels. You have a room slippers, a bin trash here, and of course the sink and the LED mirror. Fine babe. Yeah, this is what this looks like. Okay, and you have your shower here as well. Okay, yeah, you have your shower here as well. Really pretty. And you have the regular on here, and your towel holder. I think you should focus now. Anyway, my loves, that's me here. Okay, again, I'll be here till tomorrow. I want to go to VI. I had my wig sent to get done. I got a wig from Life and Luxury, so I gave her to get it done. So I'm gonna go to Lekki today, sometime maybe about in 2 hours or something. So yeah, that's moi. So my loves, I am going for lunch now. I want to get to Jevnik to have lunch. I'm starving. I would have done room service, but I don't know how their food tastes. But I'm sure Jevnik tastes really good. I really miss Jevnik food. So let me go have lunch right now. So I'm just wearing my sunglasses because it's quite sunny outside. And same outfit I came from the airport with, my two-piece from Fashion Nova. And I have my purse here that I'm carrying. So yeah, that's basically it. Hunger is doing me big time. Okay, so yeah guys, let me order my boat. The boat is like Uber, it's about the same service. Let me order my boats now, and I'll take you along, yeah, to Jevnik. Hope you all enjoy this holiday with me. Okay, I'm winding down from my trip. It has been a very, very beautiful trip. Like, I want to do it again. All right guys, so I'll talk to you later.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the
So change of plans, guys. I did not go to Jevnik anymore. I decided to come downstairs to the restaurant to eat. The reason is because I remember Lagos traffic, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want to stay all day in Lagos traffic in the hot scorching sun. I decided to come downstairs to have my lunch, which was pretty impressive because they had a wide variety of menu, like jollof rice, fried rice, plantain, beans. Like, they just had a whole lot, and freshly squeezed juice as well. Okay, so guys, would you consider staying in this hotel, considering everything I have shown you so far, or are there other hotels you would like me to try in my next trip? Let me leave in the comment section the ones you have tried, if you tried this hotel, and let me know what your impression is. Do you have a good or a bad impression? And if you've watched to this point, guys, click the like button now. How far? Subscribe, okay? Do the needful. So later that day, I went downstairs to the pool so I could get a drink. Unfortunately, they were closed, so I tried to do a room service. Okay, so this is what the pool area looks like, really nice and decent. And I also went to the fitness area, which blew my mind because they had so many workout equipment. They had several treadmills, they had kettlebells, they had dumbbells, they had so many gym equipment. Really, really, really nice. And one thing actually that blew my mind was they have a live band for their lunchtime. Is this how they are every time, or I was just fortunate to have that day? I do not know. Okay, it was really nice, really, really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna allow you guys enjoy this music, and by the live band, so you're serenaded. Okay, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.